GMO stands for Genetically Modified Organisms. GM crops are plants grown for food whose genes have been altered using genetic engineering, where genes of other organisms are inserted into the genome of the crop plant to improve it in some way, resulting in the development of pest-resistant crops. As the human population increases, there is higher demand for food, and it is often difficult to grow enough crops to accommodate the demand due to the presence of pests. Traditionally, farmers would have to spray their crops with pesticides to kill the pests. However, this method is time-consuming, expensive, and is harmful to humans, animals, as well as the environment, as it is poisonous. Growing GM crops is one of the solutions to this problem, as it tends to have high yield per harvest. It is also much cheaper due to the reduced use of chemicals in pest management, and is safe for both humans and animals' consumption, as well as environmentally friendly. Potatoes are one of the examples of most commonly modified crops. Despite its popularity, potatoes are relatively hard to grow due to an insect called Colorado potato beetle, which feeds on the growing plant leaves and stems, stunting its growth and cutting yields. Using GMO, the potato plant is genetically modified with a gene from a bacterium called Bacillus thuringiensis and is grown into a plant. This gene causes the cells of the modified potato plant to produce a protein that is toxic selectively to the Colorado potato beetle. Therefore, when the beetle feeds on the plant, the toxic proteins are able to disrupt the beetle's digestive system, leading to its death. With this advancement, GMO is able to make food accessible and healthier for the growing population while reducing the usage of pesticide. Apart from its application in agriculture, genetic modifications are also applicable in other areas such as medicine, perhaps in producing readily available vaccines and therapeutics in the future.